Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Glamm Ultimatte Long Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick. Now these lipsticks were launched recently and they are available in 15 different shades. I grabbed 5 shades out of these, and if you know me then you know how big a fan I am of all the my Glamm lipsticks, and I had to grab at least 5 of these. I've been trying them since a couple of days and I cannot wait to tell you the details about these lipsticks. So without any further ado, let's get started. So these lipsticks retail for 599 rupees for 2.5 ml of product, but you can always grab them on discount on My Glamm app, and these are only available on My Glamm app. I got them from the My Glamm app itself. As I said, out of 15 shades, I've got 5 different shades, which is Nude Bombshell, Cherry Hottie, Berry Charmer, Wine Babe and Plum Beauty. Let me show you how the packaging of the product looks like. It's a coppery golden box sort of, as you can see, which says the name of My Glamm Ultimatte Long Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick, and here we have got the manufacturing date and expiry date of the product along with the shade name and all of that. The shelf life of this product is 2 years, and it also has given the details of the net volume and commodity liquid lipstick, and it clearly states sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free, mineral oil free and alcohol free. This side of the packaging contains manufacturing details of the product, and here it has the details of Ultimatte Long Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick. They have mentioned the ingredients and caution stuff on this part of the packaging. Now let's see the inner packaging of the product. This is a standard frosted glass tube here, which is very beautiful and sturdy and strong. It has got a rose gold cap, seems like a plastic cap, it's not metal. Once you open it up, you can see this white long wand with a doe foot applicator, which is my favorite applicator. I love a good doe foot applicator because it gives a precise application of your lip color. They have also mentioned Plum Beauty, the shade name and use before and batch number and manufacturing date as well on the cap itself, which is a good part because I'm going to throw off this box. I won't have this cardboard box, so I would always need the expiry date of the product on the lipstick, and they have done a good job at it. Now let me show you the texture of the product. This is very creamy in texture, as you can see, and very pigmented. It's not very liquidy sort of, it's somewhere in the middle, not very moussey, but creamy texture, as I said, and it dries down in seconds to a complete matte finish, and as you can see, it's supremely pigmented, which I'm very happy about. Now about the smell of the product, it has a typical My Glamm lipstick smell. It's the same smell across all of the lipsticks by My Glamm. It's sort of a mild sweet smell, and don't worry, it's not gonna linger on your lips and it's not very strong. Now about the longevity of this lipstick, it lasts for about 8+ hours. Even though the brand has claimed about 8 hours long lasting, this one lasted only for 16+ hours. The day it arrived, I wore it in the afternoon and I just let it stay, and I washed it the next day. The lipstick was intact even after 2-3 meals and lots of coffee, chai and all of those things. So thumbs up and kudos on that part. So even if you are someone who is a lipstick eater person and you have eaten the lipstick with your meals, you have had some seriously oily food and you have eaten the lipstick, because these are just liquid lipsticks, right? These are not fevicols, and this won't just stick onto your lips. It might come off when you eat something oily. Even if it does, you can easily touch it up. It's very comfortable. It's non-drying on your lips. If you have very dry chapped lips, you might want to use a lip balm underneath, but for someone who has got normal lips like me, you do not need a lip balm underneath. It will stay intact, it will stay put the way it is. If you lose it somehow, you can easily touch it up. It's not going to feel cracked, heavy or anything of that sort. It will still be the exact amount of comfort on your lips. These lipsticks are absolutely waterproof, which I think all of the liquid lipsticks are waterproof, so that's no surprise here. Transfer proof as well, because it's a liquid lipstick, it will be transfer proof. No transfer whatsoever. Now let's see the swatches of these lipsticks. So that was all about the swatches of all of these lipsticks. Now I'll attach a video of how do we remove these lipsticks. It was so difficult for me to remove these lipsticks. Without an oil-based makeup remover, you cannot remove them. I mean, it's going to be very, very tough, and even with an oil-based makeup remover, it's going to take a lot of effort for you to remove. I'll attach a video so you'll know how the removal process was. So even though all of the shades were to die for, they are so gorgeous, so stunning. Still, my favorite from the 5 that I have with me is Nude Bombshell and Berry Charmer. They are way too beautiful. I love all of the shades honestly, but these are going to my go-to because I love them totally. I highly recommend you to get Nude Bombshell if you are someone who loves nude lipsticks. It's a beautiful peachy plus mauvey nude lip color which would suit every skin tone. I highly recommend these lipsticks because for the price and for the longevity part that it comes up with, it's a must have. At least one shade is a must have in your vanity. So that was all about my short little review on my Glamm Ultimatte Long Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'm gonna be seeing you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. See ya.